Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 21. 2000 cm cube of a gas is collected at 27 degrees Celsius and 700 millimeters mercury. What is the volume of the gas at standard temperature and pressure? A. 1896, that is 1896.5 centimeters. B. 1767.3 centimeter cube. C. 1676.3 centimeter cube. D. 1456.5 centimeter cube. So this is actually under the general gas equation or the general gas law, and it is one which is mathematically given as P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Now we're asked to calculate the volume. Okay, that is, we'll take that as our V2. So V2 is unknown. So our V1 is of course 2000 centimeter cube. The T1 is 27 degrees Celsius, but we won't be using it in degrees Celsius. We'll convert to Kelvin. So if you add that to 273, you have 300 Kelvin. Okay, then our T2 of course is standard temperature, so that is 273 Kelvin, and then the P1, which is the pressure, initial pressure, will be 700 millimeter mercury, and then P2 will be the standard pressure, which is 760 millimeters mercury. So V2, if you make V2 subject of formula, V2 will be equal to P1 V1 T2, okay, P1 V1 T2 divided by P2 T1. So P1 of course is 700 multiplied by V1, which is 2000, multiplied by T2, which is 273, divided by P2 760, multiplied by T1, which is 300. So that is equal to 1676.3 centimeter cube. So that is the second or the final volume. So 1676.3 cm cube is option C. So C is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.